Okay, now that the weather's giving us a break for a little while, there's the Gulf Coast. That thing is looking impressive. It really is. It's looking really impressive. This is the Gulf of Mexico. But yeah, now that I got a little lull in the weather, let's go see if the babies are ready to come up. And Lord, I hope they are. And no, not these babies. These babies are still just running around like they're crazy. And believe it or not, I cleaned that out this morning before before I took my shower. See how dirty am I? Just the ducks. Ducks. See how messy? They're just messy. But I love them. I love them. They're all good. So yeah, everything's going good, and this thing woke me up again at 3 o'clock in the morning. Humidity went down too low, and yeah, it's 3 o'clock, and then my brother woke me up at 5 o'clock. So okay, let's go see if these crazies are ready to come in. Lord, I hope it's not raining. Uh-oh. I don't see anybody at all. Oh, come on. Come on, children! Where's everybody at? Hey, babysitter. Where's everybody at? Oh, maybe you wouldn't know it. What are y'all doing? Move. Move. Seriously, you gotta just do it? You just gotta go that route? Why can't you be just like her? Just be normal. What are you gonna do? Okay, yeah, everybody move. Where's the rest of them? Where's the dang coop at? See what I got there on the daily? Where's the ducks? Come on, ducks! You're not a duck. Oh, Lord. And I'm actually going to do away with him and him because they're too big for my hens. They're destroying my hens. I mean, look at her. I mean, yeah. But I do have two roosters. He's a rooster. And he's a rooster over there. Right there. He's another rooster. They're going to be... That's their offspring, but they're not going to be as big as them. So they'll be going to the freezer camp. And that'll be some good gumbo. And the ducks ain't nowhere around here. You wouldn't know it. Got a lull in the weather. These idiots want to go play in the coulee, I guess. Go see if I can find them, get them up here. And it's nasty and it's muddy. Come on, ducks! I ain't going down there because I'll slide all the way into the water. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that's thunder. Yeah, the ducks ain't nowhere around. Come on, ducks! Well, I can put everybody else up, I guess. Go check on mama, both mamas. Make sure they're still on the nest. But yeah, see how bad off? Yeah, what are y'all two doing? Oh yeah, go after that big boy. Yep, she's still on the nest. Shut up, babysitter. Give them a little bit of time. They still got feet in their pen anyway. Yep, she's still there. Okay. Make sure she got food. Yeah, she being picky too. I'm just gonna get I don't know what I'm gonna do with that feed. They don't like it. What are you doing, babysitter? Where are you going, home chicken? Yeah, go ahead, do it. Do it. Do it. I'll be banned from YouTube. I'll field goal punt you. Alright, well, the ducks ain't here. They're just in the coulee, I guess. Still got to put that big bad boy in here. Oh, shut up. Where my chickens are so dang spoiled. The chickens and the ducks. Where my ducks at, huh? You're supposed to be a protector of the flock. But yeah, look at their backs. The roosters they're just too big. That's a rooster right there. That's one of them. I think that's. I don't know how many roosters I got, but I'm almost certain that's a rooster. Go see if the ducks are coming yet. I hear them. They sound like they're coming from that way. They are coming from that way. What are y'all doing? Come on. Social distancing. Stay 6 feet apart. Come on. What y'all doing coming from that way? Come on. Come on, children. Come on. Come on. Keep coming. Come on. I gotta watch where I'm going. Come on. This way. Come on. Come on, y'all know where to go. Come on. Come on. One-way traffic. Come on. Go. Go. Get in. Get in. Come on. Go on, babies. Quack, 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 quack. Okay. I'll be in here to lock y'all up in a little bit. I don't know what they were doing on that side of the house. They usually hardly ever go on that side of the house. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got 2 mama. Okay. Everybody is up. All right, y'all. Have a good night. God bless. Stay safe. Stay healthy. And do the social distancing thing. I guess that's how you say it. Look. See how they dig? Quack, 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 quack. But yeah, everybody's doing good. Everybody's healthy. The babies are up. And them babies right there, I think if that's a rooster, if that turns out to be a rooster right there, I think I'm going to keep him. He's pretty. So, hey y'all, bye.